Welcome back to my channel Whiteboard e-learning. Dear student, today we will start from the article number 9.4 properties of the soil. So already I have uploaded 3 videos on this chapter soil. So if you have not watched the previous video, unfortunately, then watch the previous video. Because all the videos are interrelated. So somehow the present video based on the previous videos. So make sure already you have watched the previous video. And if you have not watched the previous video, then click on the I button which will be available in your screen on the right corner, and time to time, so at that time you click on the I button here and you can see the previous videos right from the screen. So now, properties of the soil. You have listed some uses of soil. Let us perform some activities to find the characteristics of the soil. Generally, properties of the soil consist of percolation is the one of the property of the soil. Absorption is also a property of the soil. We will discuss it later and the 9.6 article number. And here also moisture in the soil. So these are the properties of the soil. We will discuss one by one. First of all, we will engage ourselves the main point, that is the percolation rate of water in the soil. So first of all, we have to know what is percolation. Percolation means passes through. What will passes through? It will be the water. The amount of water passes through the soil. That is actually the rate of that. The time rate of amount of water passing through the soil is known as the percolation rate. So let us read it. Bujo and Paheli marked two different squares of 50 and 50 centimeter each, one on the floor of their house and the other on the kacha unpaved road. They filled two bottles of the same size with the water. They emptied the water from the bottles, one each, at the same time in the two squares. They observed that the water on the floor flowed down and was not absorbed. On the kacha road, on the other hand, the water was absorbed. So here two pictures are side by side. One is the two different squares, 50 into 50 centimeter, that means 2500 square centimeter. This is the area on which you have to pour some water, and these two areas are taken from different two locations. One is unpaved road and one is on the floor of their house. So floor of the house, generally it will be made of tiles or concrete. So what will happen? So if you pour some water on the particular area, on the unpaved road, it will be absorbed. It is very obvious, it is very simple that it will be absorbed. But you have seen, if water is poured on the tiles, it will not be absorbed. Now let us perform an activity to understand these. Okay, so this is the activity, measuring rate of percolation. This one we have to read. For this activity, divide yourself into 3 teams. Name the teams A, B, C. You will be finding out how fast the water passes down the soil. Yes, this word, passes down. Percolation means passes down, pass through. You will need a hollow cylinder or a pipe. Ensure that each team uses pipes of the same diameter. Okay, mind it. Some suggestions for the obtaining such a pipe are given below. You can get such type of pipe. If possible, get a small tin can and cut off its bottom. Then you can get it. If PVC pipe approx diameter 5 cm is available, cut it into 20 cm long pieces and use them. If you use tin can, so all teams will use the tin can. If a single team can use the PVC pipe, for all the groups they have to use the PVC pipes. So material should be used the same. At the place where you collect the soil, place the pipe about 2 cm deep in the ground. Pour 200 millimeter water in the pipe slowly. For measuring 200 milliliter water, you can use any empty 200 milliliter bottle. Okay, you can get Pepsi bottle or any other type of cold drinks bottle you can use here. Note the time when you start pouring water by your wristwatch or from your smart phone. When all the water has percolated, means passes through, leaving the pipe empty. Note the time again. So you have started time when you have poured the water, and stop the time when the water has been emptied. So we have started the time here. Time when you start pouring water. Yes, we have started the time when we have starting pouring the water, and we have stopped the time leaving the pipe empty when the pipe was empty. Be careful not to let the water spill over or run down on the outside of the pipe while pouring. So pour the water in a small rate so that it will not spill down or run down outside the pipe. Calculate the rate of percolation by using the following formula. So these are the formula: percolation rate milliliter per minute. So amount of water milliliter. So how much amount of water you have poured, that is fixed, 200 milliliter, and by your watch you have calculated the percolation time at the time of starting, and when it was emptied you have to take the time. For example, suppose that for a certain sample it took 20 minutes for 200 milliliter to percolate. So rate of percolation will be, so 200 milliliter means amount of water, and percolation time will be 20 minutes, so it will be 10 milliliter per minute. Calculate the rate of percolation in your soil sample. Compare your findings with others and arrange the soil samples in the increasing order of the rate of the percolation. That means if your friend finds any soil sample, it has the percolation rate that is 20 milliliter per minute, and other have found out it is as 30 milliliter per minute, then you have to write in this way from smaller to bigger: 10 milliliter per minute, then percolation rate 20 milliliter per minute, then percolation rate 30 milliliter per minute, in this way. So percolation, so up to this today's student, we will read this chapter with a small segment so that you can understand the chapter very well, and we will confine ourselves today at only percolation, and percolation don't coagulate with the other things, the absorptions of water. It is not actually the absorption, it is the passing through. How much water has passed out, how much water has been passed out through the soil in particular time, that is called percolation rate. It is not actually the same with the absorption of the soil, so mind it. Thank you for watching my video. If you find this video is helpful, then don't forget to subscribe my channel for next upcoming videos from this chapter. Thank you.